Olimar, what the heck? Why did you fly the ship so fast? Oh, you hit the ground so hard. Oh my god. Well, do you know what that means? We get to explore even longer this time. Down my face. Whatever. Come on. Let's go. Let's go explore. Let's explore. Keep up. Oh yeah, your relief. Whatever. You know what? We're going to venture in there. And you know what that means? More eternal suffering. No, jeez, why are you so down? It's just we barely find any ship parts, and then we spend half the entire day either getting injured or something. So really, I just hope we can set out a date first. So let's grab the huckle pad and set out or something. You know, fine, only because you're so cute. All right, let's set out our day. Okay, I'm tracking down some signals coming to our northeast. Hey, wait, there's two mysterious signals coming from. There's a mysterious signal coming from our northwest and one straight north. So where should we go? There's like 3 ship parts now. And there's only 3 left in this place, I think. So let's get ready. So where should we go first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. My mother says to pick the very best one, and that is you. Y-O-U. Red, white, and blue. Don't forget purple too. I pick you. Well, what do you know? It's the northwest. So let's leave the huckle pad here and let's go. Go. Hey, where'd all those dead bodies go? Don't you remember Pikmin physics? They're gone the next day. We should have took them somewhere or something. But how would that help? We have no onions. I kind of installed this Pikmin birth feature, like Pikmin sprouting thingy in your ship, if you didn't mind. Whatever. At least I guess it's my way of repaying you after if you're gonna help me do all this stuff. But whatever. No, let's go. So even though so kind of tranquilizers or something. Huh. It's coming from over there. I don't know what it is, but I don't think it's safe. Come on, we've done things a million times before. We should try to go. I'm jumping. But whatever. Jetpack. Entering loading zone. Oh, what do you know? What do you know? A data file. Well, you know what this means. Alright, let's put that sucker in. Nice and tight, alright. So let's read it, shall we? The crimson crowbird flies back to its nest after attacking too long. What does that mean? Anyway, well, I'm not minding the data file. Is that what I think it is? Is that a pellet? Yeah, but it's rainbow. Is that all the colors of every single Pikmin, I guess? Well, what's the... There's quite a few Pikmin types. But I thought there was only 3. Well, there's probably some undiscovered ones. Okay, well let's head. Let's head over there and grab it. That might have been what that might have been what a data file called the Crimson Crowbird. You know what this means? We gotta get that thing back. It may be important. Yeah, but how can we take it down? It seems pretty strong. Maybe we should find another ship part and see if it can help us. Well, I'm seeing it's either that's another ship part right next to it, or it's just something. That's another ship part next to it. We gotta find the alternative one that's not next to it. Oh, you mean that one that was straight north, but now it's northwest? Yeah, that's good enough. Come on, let's go. Entering loading zone. Entering loading zone. Let's go. Jet powers. Oh, spit. Come on up. Oh, yeah. Well, here it is. Straight north. Whoa, Pikmin, I'm too big to enter there, so maybe you can enter. Okay. Tell my wife I loved her if I don't return. Oh, I see something. Oh. Yeah, there's definitely something in here. Oh yeah, there's definitely something in there. It's covered in dirt and stuff. Oh, here it is. Hey, here it is. Is this yours or something? My tech wand. Oh man, I love this thingy. Nice. It wasn't that useful back at Hawktape, but now it's definitely useful in this situation. It was meant for creature study, but also made for expeditions on different planets. Of course, barely any of the planets had any information that we needed or any life forms, anything necessarily. So we just stopped making them. I got the last one in production. So yeah. These things are pretty rare now. Awesome. So what does it do? If I remember correctly, it can store data files, see how heavy something is, see the health of an enemy or creature, and see necessarily how much damage it would do to a spacesuit. Of course, like I said, before I discovered this planet, there's no life forms on any other planets we found. So they stopped making these. Fortunately, conveniently, this thing's good enough for us. So we could store data files on this thing, so we can review them some other time. It's pretty nice if you ask me. Oh, come on, that's awesome. Yeah. Anyway. Waddle, till the very next day. I'll just use this. Yeah, sure. I think I'm supposed to install this thing with my Hockapad. Sure, should we just keep it as a little staff or something? I guess. Well, I'll install with the Hockapad some other time. Yeah, it's quite a few features. Okay, well, time to send it to the teleportation bar. Nice. Yeah, anyway, I think we should get on to grabbing that thingy. What is it called? A pellet. But it's not like any other pellet I've seen. Let's go. What? Yeah, is this the elevator they were talking about? Okay. Well, come on, let's take it. Entering loading zone. Entering loading zone. Alright, in the loading zone. Ooh, another data file. Another data file, huh? Let's read this thingy. Tired of bringing this hucklepad everywhere. Whatever, just get in the dang thing already. So I already wrote on this thingy once and put it in the same spot already, but I felt like doing it again because this is conveniently the same spot where the what I heard is the Crimson Crowbird, I think? Crimson Crowbird, yeah, Crimson Crowbird. Is where the Crimson Crowbird is. So I found that there's some sort of elevator here, told in my other data file if you actually read it or found it. But if you're a second person, a different person, well, I found out there's some sort of elevator here. But it's like kind of like a transportation one with a hole that has like a high air hole that will push you up. It's the Crimson Crowbird's area. Technically, he just steals random stuff from you and flies back to its nest. Probably will eat it a few days afterwards. Although sometime I saw this giant container up with him. And I'm thinking, he can't eat that. It's a container. So maybe he'll just keep it around and see what it can do. Well, if that thing is yours, whoever's reading this, you better get it back. You better get it back soon, or else, let's just say it won't last long. Of course, he won't eat it, because he'll probably die, because he doesn't know what that is. Whatever. Anyway, Crimson Crowbird is pretty much a jerk, so you have to throw your Pikmin really high to attack. Of course, I yell, it's me, see, so I would know. Spark, my yellow Pikmin bro, has really specializes in the job. Of course, throwing any red Pikmin, or any other Pikmin in general, other than the pink Pikmin, would be kind of hard. Because he could also spit fire. So, good luck, my friend. You're gonna need it. Storing data file. Data file absorbed. Oh my lord, well that was a pretty long sentence, I would think. Ready, 12 minutes. Whatever. Yeah, anyway, let's go. Oh, I'm tired. Well, so they said some sort of elevator, which is run by some sort of air pocket or something. Well, come on, let's try it out. Whoa, Steve. All right, gotta enter there. Well, I think this is meant for two people only. Oh, but at least we knocked down the ship part, right? Oh my god, he just ate the pellet. Steve! Oh, I oughta. Oh my lord! Oh. Don't worry, Olimar, I'll save you. No, what? Please, no. Oh. Steve, he died. Okay, I definitely know he died because of that sound. I'll go bad. How much damage does this guy do? He does 2/8 of your health. Yeah. I'll go bad. How much health does he have left? About 3/6. I'll go bad. Does he have any kind of shit part in him? Not necessarily. Okay. You know what this means, you stupid bird? No, I will not let you win. L block, loser. L block, loser. You ruined me. You ruined my friend. If I don't get Steve back, I have no hopes of surviving. Unless I literally search on everything my own. Fight on my own. Die on my own. And never be seen all on my own. And no one will know what Pikmin are. They'll never know what you are. And they will make sure what you have. So, that's how it's gonna be, huh? Oh. So that's how it's gonna be, huh? My suit's capacity is almost ending. I might as well explode on the spot. Lose the item that you're eating. But I will not let you get away with murder of my friend. I slammed myself into the wall. Run! Did you hear me? This is what you want to be. And this is who you are. And this is what you want. Bang! Die! So, how it's gonna be, huh? Well, you screwed yourself over. I hope you enjoyed that butt kicking of a lifetime. Hope that's who you wanted it to be. Just don't get it. Whatever. Anyway, that's all. You're probably gonna die some other day. You're probably gonna live so pain death. Well, I analyzed this. Why I analyzed this data file and analyzed what this is. You will slowly die. Forget you. Hey brother, I'm back from getting the groceries. Brother! I will find some way to revive you. Get in the treehouse. Well, let's see what this thing does. And no, just take the pellet with me, because Steve's dead. Unfortunately, I will never see Steve again. Truly, now I know he is dead because he made the one and only sound effect I could know. Death. Eureka! I found this cool pellet that can help me multiply my Pikmin, depending what Pikmin color I choose. All I have to do is tap the color I want and throw it into some sort of onion. Of course, the onion has been separated from us for a while, so this thing won't be to any use unless some other adventurer finds it. They maybe could find the onion for us, but other than that, our onion is nowhere to be found. I'm pretty sad about that, so I'll just hide this somewhere else. Of course, to be the fact, this thing kinda tastes good, so I'm thinking of another predator will probably get to it before they can even touch it. Oh well, if you find a data file, if you do find it, maybe you could try installing some sort of thing maybe into your spaceship. Like that could sprout out some Pikmin? Yeah, I don't know. We only seen traces of someone here. So maybe we have so it's a bad chance we'll find anybody else that could help us here. Don't necessarily, please, just try to get some of us back. We're slowly losing in numbers. Huh. Who knew? This thing can make a Pikmin of choice. All I have to do is tap it. Okay, well, okay, which one do you want? I need Steve. Boop. Hey, it started glowing. Well, you know what that means. I gotta put this thing to the ship if Steve installed one of those thingies he called a Pikmin sprouting program of some sort. What? One rainbow pellet found. Red Pikmin Steve has been selected to be revived or created. Would you like to transfer memory of deceased Pikmin? Yes. Thank you for your cooperation. Pikmin will now be recreated in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that thing is like half the size of me. But I guess Steve's under here. Well, only one way to find out. Is this heaven all more? Did you die with me? Did we go down in place of glory? Is this the afterlife? This world finally don't exist. Ugh. Nope, you're back alive. I'm alive? I can feel myself. Yep, you are alive. I brought you back with that pellet. Olimar. Thank you so much. Thank you. I thought it wouldn't have. I thought it would go on silently, but be restless because I died, and I couldn't find any of my friends until what happened. But you brought me back and let my story continue. Thank you, Olimar. Thank you. Sorry, I was excited there. But anyway, necessarily, what happened to the pellet? Oh, necessarily, it just disappeared. I guess those things are scattered around the place now? Probably the more evolved version of a pellet. Well, now we can revive our Pikmin friends. Yeah, but I don't think they'll work if we don't discover them. Because if there's already one alive, it's meant to revive. It's meant to revive, not to make. So we're gonna have to find the other ones and make sure they're not dead. Can we just like select it? So try to use all of them and see if which ones are dead? That will probably screw up the dolphin. You do know that these files are pretty much unstudied and just been discovered a few minutes ago, or previously discovered by the other person. So necessarily, I don't want to take any chances. So let's just see any Pikmin. Let's just try to discover more Pikmin that are dead. So yeah, probably all still alive. So necessarily, looks like my ship heart didn't really take it all that dismissed. Well, come on, let's suck that baby up. Tech wand received. You will need 1 more ship part to increase your ship's capacity. Eureka! 1 more ship part? You know what that means? I know exactly where 1 more ship part is. I can't find it. I'm a failure. Found it. Regretted. Mending fixer received. You can increase the capacity of your ship's capacity, or my capacity, considering I'm the ship. Beep 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 beep. Dude, play happy theme. Yay! Nice. So we finally accomplished something. Now we can go to a new area. Aren't you excited, Steve? Steve? Since when did that song play? Oh, I added it as a new feature. Oh well. Today was a rough day. You were murdered. Well, somehow resurrected. Let's head into the ship and get a break. I can agree with you, all right. Poor Steve. I can agree with you. Oh my god. I can agree with you. No, I'm just gonna take that as a yes. Oh, I actually have the real music. Alright, let's do this. Come on. Okay. Let's set off. Yeet. Okay. It's nice time. Oh, you're ready to sleep. Damn, you really went out cold, didn't you? Well, good night, my friend. Good night. Okay, well, time to start logging and crap. Hey, where's my Hako pad? Oh, there it is, alright. Actually, what day is... Alright, day 5. Steve has actually died once. It wasn't pretty. But whenever I look into his eyes, I feel like a piece of his section chipped off or something. Well, I don't really know why. Necessarily. I didn't really care because, well, he's still alive now. I've actually set out some blueprints of the Forest of Hope 2.0 is what I call it. Because, fortunately, it's new AF. Necessarily, I don't really care. So, I found out, me and Steve discovered this new pellet that could bring a Pikmin to life. He suggested we should just do it and find out all of them, do it and use them multiple times, so we could bring back the Earth so we can get the dead Pikmin that died before. But I thought it was a silly idea. Who knows, maybe it could cause the dolphin to overheat. So I didn't go along with it and ignored it and said we'll find the Pikmin on their own. If we can't find them, then we'll see if they're dead. Well, that's what you get for fighting a giant crow. We killed the giant crow and we got a new data file about what it was, and that about the pellets. I hope we can get a good night's sleep without thinking too much about how the heck Steve is still alive, and how much damage did my suit really take. Oh well, I hope I get some sleep now. I do not feel the same anymore. And done. Really, I do not feel the same anymore. It's hard to sleep in this place now. There's so much crap. Dun, 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 dun.